First, open Leonardo AI and sign in to your account. To upscale an image, start by finding the image you want to improve. You can use an image that you previously generated in Leonardo AI or an image supported by the current editing workflow. Open the image and look for an option related to upscaling, enhancing, or increasing the image resolution. Depending on the current Leonardo AI interface, the exact name and location of this feature may be different. Once you find the appropriate tool, select the image and open the upscaling controls. The main purpose of upscaling is to increase the image's resolution while trying to preserve and improve important visual details. Before processing the image, check the available settings. Some workflows may provide different enhancement levels or resolution options. Choose the option that best matches your project. For example, if you need a larger image for a presentation, website, print project, or high-resolution design, you may want to use a higher output resolution when available. Now start the upscaling process and wait for Leonardo AI to finish processing the image. When the enhanced version is ready, compare it with the original. Zoom into important areas and look at details such as faces, hair, textures, clothing, edges, and small objects. If the result looks unnatural or introduces unwanted details, try another enhancement setting or use the original image with a different workflow.